Hi friends, what else can you do with a 3D printer? A person contacted me and asked me to make a cap for a car tow bar. This is a standard cap. As you can see, over time, fuel oil appears on the bottom and it is very inconvenient to remove it. Firstly, it is slippery, and secondly, you can easily get dirty and have to remove it wearing gloves. I made this cap on a 3D printer, on which, as you can see, there are 4 handles, which is convenient for removing the cap. Also, the cap is made longer so that the fuel oil does not accumulate in the lower part and the ball closes much more. Let's try to put the cap on. As you can see, the cap fits perfectly in size and it looks pretty nice and unobtrusive. Anyone who wants to buy such a cap can follow the links in the description and buy it.